Hello, kids! Welcome to Simple Alphabet. Today, we're going to learn the alphabet in the easiest and most fun way possible. Are you ready to start our alphabet adventure? Before we start, hit that subscribe button and like this video for more video like this. Now let's learn each letter one by one. Start with the very first letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, everyone! Now let's repeat them once more. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Fantastic! You did an amazing job today. We learned the whole alphabet. Remember to keep practicing your letters every day. If you like this activity, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our educational adventures. Thanks for joining me on Simple Alphabet. See you next time. Bye-bye.